Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to cover something really important: keeping your Telegram account secure with two-factor authentication, or 2FA for short. Whether you are using Telegram for crypto trading, chatting with friends, or managing your communities, enabling 2FA adds an extra layer of protection. Let me show you exactly how to enable 2FA on Telegram. It's super simple. Open your Telegram app and head over to the settings menu by tapping the three lines in the top left corner. This top left corner here. And the next thing you need to do is go to settings, then you scroll down to privacy and security, which is the second one, privacy and security. Touch it. Once it opens, you will see two-step verification off. So we need to turn it on. So I'll touch two-step verification. Once you touch it, it will tell you set password. Two-step verification, you can set a password that will be required when you log in on a new device, in addition to the code you get via SMS. So let's set our password. When you set your password, the next thing is you click this next arrow. When you touch it, it will tell you to re-enter your password. So we'll re-enter the password again. Once you have re-entered the password, they'll ask you to input password hints. You can create an optional hint for your password. So you can just put any name, but just put something you always remember. When you click on next, once you set your password, Telegram will ask you for a recovery email. This is important because if you forget your password, Telegram can use this email to help you recover it. So let's get started. Let's put our email. After entering your email, you will receive a confirmation code. So enter the code here and your 2FA authenticator is set. So let me go to my email and copy the code they sent to me. So we have copied the code. So we can see password is set. And that is it. Your Telegram account is now secured with two-factor authentication, giving you much more protection. Remember, keeping your account secure is essential, especially if you are using Telegram for things like crypto or sensitive information. So guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy to follow tips on protecting your digital life. Until next time, stay safe and secure online, guys. Take care.